it's been a long time since I last saw you.
Yeah, it's been a long time. I was busy with my debate activity.
Oh, what was the topic of your debate?
Importance of English.
I see. What do you think about this topic?
I think this topic is very important
Oh, really? Why do you think so?
because English is international language and I think that we have to practice more about it.
I see. I recently heard that there was a lot of companies and businesses that hire employees, including their English skills. What do you think about it?
I think it's very important and actually we have to increase more and more.
I see. I think we should increase our English learning knowledge and skills.
Yeah, we have to practice more to actually increase our more learning skills.
We should.
See you later.
See you later.
Trust than uploading sensitive information online to strangers without knowing the prior risks. That is the main cause that leads to cyberbullying.
So you were saying that we should stop trusting people online.
Yes, of course, you should never trust a stranger online who does not reveal their identity to you, and you should never overshare your information with them.
Okay, so how can we prevent it from happening?
Well, the first step is to never trust a stranger online, and if you ever get into trouble, you must alert your parents or get help from any trusted adult.
Do you think cyberbullying is making people insecure? Is it affecting people's lives?
Yes, of course it is affecting people in every sphere of their life.
Well, thank you for sharing your experience. That's all for today. Goodbye.
I'm happy to be of help. Goodbye.